In this class we will present the command VIEWBASE, which creates orthographic views from a template present in AutoCAD or imported from Autodesk Inventor. This command is only available on 64-bit systems. A base view is the first view created, from which the other views of the drawing derive, and it includes all the solid and visible surfaces in the model space. If the model space does not contain any solid or surface, the Select File dialog box appears to allow the selection of an Inventor template. Let's see how this works in practice. Open the available file and see that we have a floor cutter. Let's create the base view of this model, then on the command line we type VIEWBASE and hit enter. We can select the template present in the template space, or select a template from an external file. We press enter for the option model space, select the objects and press enter. Now we must select a layout among the templates available in the file. We press enter to accept the A4 format and we are directed to the layout of this format. Note that we have the controls for the base view on the ribbon and on the command line. In the orientation panel, we select one of the orientation options for the view, which by default is the front view. In the appearance panel, we set the preview style, in this case, shaded with visible lines. Still in this panel we define the scale, in this case, 1:4. Next, we specify a location for the view by clicking and typing enter. In the sequence, we must specify the location of the next view to be projected. Please note that we have several views options. We direct and click to insert the top view, left side and perspective. We finish by typing enter and see the views inserted in a practical and quick way. With a click of the left mouse button we can edit the view. When you edit the base view, the other views will automatically change. However, when you edit one of the other views, the changes will not propagate to the others. With a double click of the left button of the mouse, we can edit other parameters, including the scale, node. We have seen in this class how to create spelling views with the help of the command VIEWBASE.